Hello, y'all. So today we're playing.
We're literally talking at the same time.
By the way, me and Kai are recording.
Yeah, obviously. You know me.
Bro, why is your mutual friend Dick Flores? Bro, no. By the way, guys, I haven't.
He outright me.
Wait. By the way, guys, Dick Flores is actually my.
BF.
Yeah. How do you know?
Because you told me.
Oh yeah, I told you many times.
Join me, girl.
Yeah, wait. By the way, you can add friend me on Roblox. My name is just chocolate.
Serena, Kyrie.
Yeah.
But there's yet the first letter, okay? Girl, how dare you do that?
Oh yeah, wait, forgot. Sana all. Pingi.
I joined you, girl.
You joined Chocolate Lover one.
You're like super
I am also laggy. Why? Y'all, I'm laggy. I'm too laggy, bro. I'm too laggy. Wait, let me turn on my Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Kyrie. Bluetooth. Girl, I'm too laggies. At a curtain? Wait, I'm too laggy. Wait. Hi. Order a lot? Okay. I'll order carbonara. Ooh, okay. Yeah, and I'll corn cheese, ramen. Oh my gosh, I'm already craving. Nah. Corn dog. I'll get spicy enoki for you. Dessert. I already ordered the snacks. Bro, I already ordered the snacks. There, mozzarella sticks, and I already bought you spicy enoka. Yeah, you can. And then I'll give you some strawberry cookie cereal. Oh yeah, jeans, forgot. And also I'll give you, what do you want? Cola. And I'll have orange soda. I don't know. Wait, let me place my order first. Wait. This is for you. Guys, I'm lagging like super. For you. And for you. Rejoin. also juice. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to order kiwi juice. Grapefruit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Blueberry milk. Mine is cola. There. Just for us. Here. Okay there, guys, it's time for mukbang. Guys, it's time for yeah. Here. Hey. Meh, who cares? Yeah. Yummy, guys. Sorry for not talking for hours, bro. Yeah, taste. Yum yum. Wait, my eyeball is eating it? Yummy, guys. If you want, then join me. Hey. Yeah. Wait, can I see again? Nah! Okay, where's the mozzarella stick for you? Oh yeah. Wait, I didn't order my food. My snacks, I mean my dessert. Wait, let me order Dubai. Let me order Dubai chewy cookie. Cookie. Macaron cereal. Ah, can you? No. Hey, girl, we're twins. Here you go. Not me.
Yes.
Eh, galing ko na. Not me. Yeah, we need privacy, girl. Hey, yo. Why is my eye eating it? Why is my hair eating it? Tasty. Guys, bilhin na kayo. Ilang to. 1,000 lang to. Diba? Oh, good. Yeah. Yeah, I have double. Guys, I am bulag. By the way, guys, I have glasses in this game and I have glasses in real life. Magic. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, remember? Remember you used to call Toga Boka Boka Boka? What? It's funny. No, it's kidding. Sorry, y'all. But I got just my birthday. Oh, oops, I accidentally opened the curtain. Girl, remember that I used to eat ice as a snack. What is it? I'm 6%. Congrats. Yeah. Wait, I have my look. I have an ear thingy. Also you. Okay, we're twins. Oh yeah. Can we remember I was tampo? Can we remember that I am too much tampurot? Kyrie! How dare you? Okay, there. I am not blocking your screen. I am not stepping on your food. No. Okay, bye-bye. What? I'm already finished. No, I'm not gonna do too fast. Yeah, I know. But it's just... Oh wait, chicken fillet. Chicken, fried chicken. Me? Even though I know we need the... Kyrie, I got so many things to order. me, look. What? There. Oh no. Hey. Here, I just don't want you back. You asked for it. You asked for it. Don't throw this one. Yes. No. What do you mean? Guys, it's so tasty. Try it. 1,050. I'm making my viewers hungry, by the way. Like y'all. Mixing, by the way. See, I'm mixing. Hi, Latte. Girl, I'm done eating, by the way. Okay, I'm done eating. I'll wait for you. Okay, now let's go post this on TikTok. I mean, on YouTube and you're on TikTok. Bye bye. Bye bye.